Hi and welcome back to one of my videos. I'm doing another video of this gorgeous place where I'm at. It's called Tweed, and it's the first time for me to be here. I have a sister who lives out this way and her partner, and I just, wherever I go I like to take and make videos of the places that I've been to. So this is one special place I think that I'm enjoying right now. So the beach is absolutely gorgeous and there's no one out here. It's warm and just lovely. So what has been like, I started my holiday, well, I would call it a holiday. So I came out here to see my family on Wednesday, and my son lives in Parramatta, and that's another beautiful place. So we went to check out Lake Parramatta, or the river in Parramatta, and the surrounding trees were full of fruit bats. Now that's a beautiful sight to see. I've never seen so many fruit bats in my life, or even let alone bats that just hanging from the trees in the middle of the day. And that's another place to check out, guys, in Parramatta. It's beautiful. And then the following day we went to the Blue Mountains, another gorgeous place to go and see the Blue Mountains. It's the Grand Canyon of Australia, like Grand Canyon of America, but it is so beautiful that you've got the rail cars that take you out there to see the sights, and the gondolas, I think they're called. It will take you out to the middle of the beautiful canyon, I think they call it, in the mountains. So Three Sisters, another beautiful sight to see. So it's called the Three Sisters. It's amazing. I mean, I can't describe it. It's just you have to be there to see it and appreciate it. So this is Lily just coming to you with a little bit of my holidays. I couldn't really take a video. There's too many people around to sort of take everything in. So I hope that my words, will make you want to go out to the Blue Mountains. It's blue. We went horse riding. It was lovely. So I like to promote the places that I've been to, and yes, and just let you know how wonderful it was. Okay guys, I'll catch you later on my next video. Bye for now.